Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thai immigration amnesty. And for those who are unaware, Thai immigration has placed an amnesty on various immigration requirements that are normally incumbent upon foreigners in Thailand to adhere to in order to maintain their status. They have sort of waived these requirements until July 31st of 2020 in response to the COVID-19 or coronavirus crisis. Now, a question that I've been getting by email rather frequently in recent days is, what happens when this ends? Well, first of all, when is it going to end? The current amnesty is going to end July 31st, 2020. And I think it's imprudent to presume that this is going to be extended any further. Based on what we're seeing as of the time of this video, I think that the coronavirus is at least under control enough that we are probably going to see Thai immigration saying, look, we no longer going to extend this amnesty. There's no reason to consider its extension. So the question on certain people's minds not only has to do with their visas, and we've talked about that at length on this channel, but also has to do with, is this 90-day reporting going to continue? This was waived, and I made a video even questioning whether or not they should rethink the overall program of 90-day reporting. But until we affirmatively see until we affirmatively see 90-day reporting changed, I don't think we can't presume that it has changed. So let's not delve into that. How is this going to operate? Well, that remains to be seen. My question is, does everyone's clock for 90-day reporting restart as of, August 1? Is everybody now, from that date forward, do they need to do 90-day reporting? Difficult to say. With certain clients, I'm telling people, keep your 90-day intervals in mind because you may need to go ahead and do your reporting along the same lines as you otherwise would. That, to me, would make the most sense. It also would make the most logistical sense because you don't want to see everybody having to restart. So presumably August 1, and then everybody that was here August 1 is going to have to deal with their 90-day report, October 1? Or the end of October? They're going to all have to deal with it simultaneously. So I think it's difficult to say at this time how this is going to work. If you're worried about your 90-day report, I think it's a good idea to contact a legal professional. We can assist in probably providing some insight into how this is all going to play out, especially as we get within about, I think, 2 weeks of the amnesty coming to an end. We'll probably have some more guidance regarding how the 90-day reporting is going to work. But the thing to take away from this video is, no, it's not required during the amnesty. I think it definitely is going to be required, at least in the short term after the amnesty is lifted. Maybe they'll rethink doing 90-day reports. That remains to be seen. But the nuts and bolts of how it's going to work when it turns back on, I think that's a question. If you really, if we're getting nearer to the date and you're worried about it, go ahead and contact us, and we may be able to assist in providing some insight or assist you in actually doing it so as to get yourself back in the 90-day reporting system without any violations and thereby not causing any possible fines or problems with visa extension down the road.